Good morning, everybody. We're waking up in Rogers, Minnesota, at a Cabela's parking lot. Definitely a lot of condensation in here, but it almost looks like some of it's like frozen. That's about how cold it is. Seems a bit strange that a place with like RV parking, like as like a feature of their store, has so many do not park overnight signs. To get jacked. Oh. Are we out of water? You see that? My fuse blew. That's kind of a bummer. Alright, then we're gonna go get gas and be on our way. I've got so much time to check things out today. I've got literally no plans. It's a Sunday. So let's have some fun. Lake Itasca basically goes along here. I want to do this trail here, this trail. And so I'm hoping that this has a good photo spot down the length of the lake. And I'm hoping that this one goes down to this lake over here, this little one. I'm hoping it's less crowded. Let's do it. There's these little like chicken things up here. I'm gonna go see if I can get a better, closer shot of them. Well, I got a pretty cool shot of the first one when he was on the trail, so that's sick. Look at this. Is he still there? Oh my gosh, he just does not care. Oh, there he goes. I think I'm gonna spend the rest of the day here, which means I should probably cook something and eat. So I'm gonna cook some chicken. Probably cook all of it, put it in a thing to save up for later. I'm also just really curious if I can cook just in the van. I don't think I've shown you guys my stove yet. This is the camp stove. We got barbecue dry rub. Got crushed red pepper, salt, pepper. Get that all over everything. So you gotta push the button and that opens it. You just put it anywhere you want. Locks it back into place. And there you go. You got a thing with that, and then you don't have the storage issue of having a handle. So then you struggle to get your propane screwed in. Oh, looks like it's working out. Please don't start a fire. Please don't start a fire. Drop my chickies in there. He's definitely high up. Looking good though. That looks like some darn good chicken to me. Seems good to me. Honestly, not to like pat myself on the back, but that looks like some darn good chicken. It was actually pretty fun. Enjoyed cooking that. Now I'm gonna enjoy eating it. It started raining on me, but like in 5 more minutes, that's gonna be an awesome photo. Big pike, big pike. That was kind of cool. I just filmed
filmed and shot a couple photos, and this kid like caught a fish on his first try, and his sisters were so happy for him. So I left that clip in there because it's awesome.
There's the beginning of the Mississippi River. That's it for this park. I think that's it for today. It's almost 7, I think, but it gets dark at 7. Oh wow. Yeah, so I'm gonna hit the road, Jack, and then tomorrow it's Voyageurs National Park. Good morning. I'm in Bemidji, Minnesota, next to Paul Bunyan and the Big Blue Hawks. Hopefully today's gonna be a good day. Driving up northern Minnesota even more. I think I misunderstood the assignment here at this. This is the national park. It's like completely boat access. Like you gotta go off to, like, in a boat to an island or to a different place. And it's pretty much like not open. There's no fee, there's no like normal gate or anything. So, yep, I am gonna call an audible. It's a 4-hour drive audible, well, plus a couple more hours. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna get to this next point that I wanted to go to because it's so far out of the way. So I'm gonna skip Voyageurs National Park because I don't really want to go on a guided tour at the moment. And I'm gonna go to Grand Portage State Park, which is pretty much at the tip of Minnesota. All day driving just to go to a waterfall. This is said waterfall that you can't see. I'll show you some pictures of it.